In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update product inventory in Shopify. Keeping your inventory accurate is essential, so your customers always know what's in stock and you avoid overselling. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and what each inventory field actually means, so you can confidently manage your products. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen of your store's admin, where you can see an overview of your orders, analytics, and other settings. From here, we'll head straight to your products. On the left-hand side menu, click on Products. This opens a list of all the products in your store. You can use the search bar or filters at the top if you have a lot of products and need to quickly find the one you want to edit. Next, click on the specific product you want to update the inventory for. This will open the product details page, where you can edit things like the title, description, pricing, and images. For this video, we're focusing on the inventory section. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Inventory, which is just below the pricing section. Here you'll see different inventory quantities such as unavailable, committed, available, and on hand. These values help you understand how much stock you have in different states. For example, committed usually means items that are reserved for existing orders, while available is what can still be sold. If you click the drop-down under Unavailable, Shopify presents several options like damaged, quality control, safety stock, and other. This is useful for tracking stock that you physically have, but can't sell to customers yet, such as items being checked or set aside. When you click on Available, you can update how many units are actually available for customers to purchase. Adjust this number whenever you receive new stock or need to correct your inventory count. The same idea applies to on hand. Clicking on hand shows you information related to the total physical stock you have. You can adjust these values so that Shopify reflects what's really in your warehouse or storage. Below that, you'll see an empty field labeled SKU, which stands for Stock Keeping Unit. Click in this field to enter the SKU you want to use for this product. This is an internal code that helps you organize and track products. Finally, click the empty field below barcode to add the barcode for this product if you use one. This is especially helpful if you scan items for fulfillment or use a point of sale system. Once you've updated these fields, make sure to save your changes and your Shopify inventory will be up to date.